come crimp a half jam and half coconut tart with me. So I've got my pastry rolled out here, fairly thick. Going to use this pastry cutter just to give it a nice edge. About, I would say, 5 centimeters or 4 centimeters thick. Let's cut it down. Take one. And then just twist the pastry, lay it down. I first start in the middle, and then I'm going to add 2 of these strips on either side, twist and lay it down. I'll do the same to the other side. Start in the middle first so you can be even. Twist and lay it down. Another 2 strips. And again, same. Then I'm just going to trim the edges, the ones that's too long, so it can be nice and neat and even, like so. And then I'm going to take another strip, lay it on the edge, like that. And again, right around. I'll need a small piece. I'll just take this one there, and it looks like that. Now take a sharp point knife, make a slit in, bring that piece over like that, and just go on. And this method will ensure the tart has a nice, the flakiness of the pastry comes out. You go right around like that until it's done. Just cut, bring over. Like that. And there you have it. Half coconut tart, half jam tart, ready for the oven in time for Eid.